Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up WinSpy and create a remote install file. Uh, do not install WinSpy on PC, phones, or networks you do not own. Okay, let's go through the steps. I'm going to go a little fast, so bear with me. Step 1. Disable your antivirus. So, go to your Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Go to Manage Settings and turn everything off. Okay. Once this is done, we can download and install the WinSpy main program. I've already downloaded it. This is the order number from your email. After the purchase, you'll be sent an order number. And this is the purchaser's email address. Just click next, enter login. This is your login to the WinSpy main console. And now it's saying press Ctrl Shift F12 to log in, and you don't do it yet. Okay, then it'll tell you again, verify, and it's telling you to add this folder to your antivirus exception list: program files x86 n64sv, and add your desktop folder to both folders. Okay, it's asking you press Ctrl Shift F12. Yes, the login box came up. Says did the login box come up? Yes. Okay, so it's completed, and it's telling you to run this file on your desktop called add reg. After running add reg, you can delete it. So let's go to the desktop. Let's run that. Okay, and we can delete it. Now let's go back to our antivirus, Windows Security. Go to Windows Security, Virus Threat Protection. Go to Manage Settings and Exclusion. You want to add the folder, which will be Program Files. NS64SV. Select that folder and add your desktop folder to, which is here. Select folder. Okay, we are all set here. Let's log into WinSpy. Let me show you how to make a remote file. Press Ctrl Shift F12 to get this dialog. Put in the username and password. Once you're in, go to remote install. This is where you create a remote file. Remote viewer is how you view the remote file. Okay, let's go to remote install to create a remote file. This can be anything you want to identify the user: break room, Abby, or John's office. So this is the file name you want to send. And we have several different type of file types. You can create exe, jpg, pdf, xls, powerpoint, or combine. Combine is another interesting feature, but we'll come to that later. This is your file icon. By default we have a jpg icon. If you include a picture, the user would see the picture. If you do not include the picture, user will not see the picture. And for email address, use Zoho. Do not use Gmail. Gmail no longer accepts mail relay. So you can put the settings here. Zoho 587 would require, and you can put a enable webcam. If you enable the webcam, whenever motion is detected, WinSpy will take screenshots of what's happening with the webcam. This only would take screenshots when motion is detected. Let's create the remote file. So it's going to create a remote file called file with this icon on your desktop, and it will create a Dropbox file with a link. So you can either send the link or send the file from your desktop by any legal means. It'll take a minute to create the file. So here it shows you bought 10 license used 1, which is what we are using now. So this is your Dropbox link to your Dropbox. You can send this to the remote PC. You can download it from here, or you can just manually send it. So okay, you can send by USB, Dropbox, any. Do not send via email. Most emails will probably block the file. Okay, this is a remote viewer, just the same as here. This is where the view the remote PC, and let's click on it. So we created John's computer. It's offline, and the file is created here. So now I'm gonna go to the remote PC and run the link. Okay, from here we can see remote PC is offline. It's not connected, and we can put alert and tell it to go to tray. A pop-up will come up like MSN Messenger to alert you that the remote PC is online, but we'll just take out the alert right now, and we'll just see it come online live. Okay, I'm gonna run the remote PC, remote file on remote PC right now. In a minute, it should come. I can see the ring. It'll come online. Okay, so remote PC is online. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to it. This is the internal IP, and this is the external IP of the remote PC. So and you do not need any IP to use WinSpy. It'll auto detect. So direct connect works like TeamViewer. You do not have to configure a router or firewall or anything. Just run it, and it'll connect directly to the remote PC. Okay, we've connected to the remote PC, and so what it is now we can go here, uninstall from the remote PC, or view key log files, website visitor summary reports, website detail. This is by domain and this is by actual link. PC usage time, chat room conversations, time spent on the internet. This is just your DNS location and everything, just in case your PC is stolen. All the install applications on the PC. This is for if you're IT support, this could be helpful. The application count, so you can see the number if it increased. Software daily usage. Chrome recovery is it will give you all the username, and it will recover all the username and password from your Chrome, and you can delete all the reports. Under file transfer, you can transfer any file back and forth from remote PC, and you can also run any file. So this will be the local PC, and this will be the remote PC. So you can navigate, you can run a file. So if I want to run, you can click on this, execute file. So if I want to upload a file and execute it, I could do that. So we're not going to do that now. Send message, I could send a message if I was an admin to remote PC, or I could tell it to run command in a remote PC. Log off, shut down, restart, reboot. Snapshot is I can tell it to take snapshot every how many seconds off. So if I wanted to save it elsewhere. If I wanted to uninstall, I'll go file, uninstall of the remote. Oh, also I can control remote PC. I can double click on this icon and it'll open. This. Or I can click anything. For example, I can double click on the control panel just like a remote desktop. I guess that requires a bit more admin rights. Okay, let's go to viewing the remote through the dashboard. You can also view the remote by dashboard. So we can go to the dashboard. WinSpy has a dashboard for the phone and for the PC. I don't want to go here. Let's go here. Let's open it here. We are going to go into the test account to just show you. Dashboard has not collected data yet. Okay, this is the WinSpy main dashboard. From the main dashboard, you can monitor phone or a remote PC. So if you click here on the top, you can either monitor all the different phones or go to view PC here, which you can view screenshots, all the reports we mentioned, apps count, time online, keys pressed, webcam shots whenever motion is detected, and all the installed apps. So you can view the remote PC, and you can view multiple remote PCs here. You can remove the PC, or whenever you create another remote install file, and when it's successfully installed, it will be automatically added here. Or you can go to view mobile, same thing. Whenever you install on a mobile, it will automatically be created here. From a remote PC on the dashboard, for PC phone part, you can go dashboard. You can go to functions, you can view where they are, or you can go functions. You can record live what if the conversation, it picks up the conversation from the mic or surroundings from the mic. Get a front screenshot or back screenshot, your geolocation now, or take a screen capture. You can get all the calls, all the SMSs, contact books, installed apps, geolocation, geofence, images on the PC. These are all the environment recordings that we have on the functions. It will be stored there. All the videos, where they've been browsing, notifications, and root needed. For root needed, the phone has to be root. Screen capture, WhatsApp, Skype, Gmail, and Facebook. So this is what WinSpy can do. Over here it shows you the phones. So this is a Huawei. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.